Alright guys, we're back today. Gonna finish doing some painting on the mini bike fenders and gas tank. After this we're gonna start working on gotta replace this and gotta get this place right here cut out and re-welded. Picked up some gloss clear, gloss black, and probably gonna go over one coat of black and then let it dry and then do the clear. I'm not sure if I can finish that today, but I'm gonna try to. I've got about 2 hours. I've been saving all my sandpaper and stuff that I'm using. These are really great if you can get a hold to some of these, like spongy sandpaper. Probably not going to be using any of this really rough stuff at all. I'm trying to do the finished product, and it's gonna, not sure what grit this is. I think it's 400 actually, 400 waterproof. These are probably not going to be perfect like I want them to be, but they're going to be very close for sure. Alright, I'm gonna let these dry and might go over one more coat and might not, just depends. But I'm gonna do the gas tank next. It really needs 2 or 3 coats itself. I'm gonna be getting a GoPro here soon, so I can get a better first person and be hands-free, because I am using a phone, as you can see, maybe. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and do stuff like this and walk in creeks and everything at the same time, but getting the GoPro I think will bring a lot better footage and everything. So if you guys are interested in the channel, just go ahead and subscribe. It'll be in your right bottom hand corner. It'll be a red block you can click and subscribe right away. You don't even have to scroll down. Go ahead and check out the Arrowhead videos too. I've got 2 of them up and they're pretty awesome, man. That's about it. I'm gonna get started on this gas tank. It was almost dry, and of course little stuff like that right there is everywhere out here. Went to pull a piece out and put some scratches and didn't spray far enough away, and this is what happened. So I'm gonna take a 400 waterproof, go back over as soon as it dries up some, and I'm gonna go ahead and sand it back down, just from probably here down. Go back with another coat to blend it. I mean, this is dry and it's doesn't even need clear coat, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyways, just to do it, to protect it and everything. Alright, I've got this spot pretty good, about good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna do a little more right there. I'm gonna go back over with another coat of and then start on that one next. Alright, this is one that's been clear coated, and I'm actually standing in the sunlight, and that's how it still looks. It's just like a mirror, man. Turned out pretty decently. Also, I gotta get this tire put back on the rim. And eventually I am going to take these off and go ahead and paint those black too. Just stay tuned for that. I'll probably incorporate it in a video that's got more content than just paint and stuff. Apologize for the run-on paint videos, but stuff's not as easy as most people think it is. Alright guys, catch you on the next one.